everybody, thank you so much for tuning in today. My name is Jacqueline, and in today's video I will be doing my Will I Buy It. And basically this is a video where I will share my opinion on the new beauty and makeup releases that are just about to come in, and whether or not I will be buying it or maybe passing on them, and a little bit more of my opinion on each of the items. But before we get started, if you like these type of videos, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, ring that little notification bell. That is the only way that YouTube will let you know when I upload new videos. And please consider to follow me on my Instagram. I will love to see you there. Now let's get started. The creator of these type of videos is Samantha March. I will be linking her channel down below, and I will be referring to the account Trend Mood on Instagram, as well as Hot Fire Makeup. That's where I get the information on what are going to be the new makeup releases coming out. The first item that I wanted to talk about is this Glow Recipe Pineapple C Bright Serum. It's actually available now at Sephora, and it costs $49. Here it tells that it will reveal poreless, translucent, and illuminate glassy skin with brightening pineapple. It has 3 types of vitamin C, including 22% pineapple juice, which is a potent source of natural vitamin C, natural AHA, and bromelain enzymes. And it also has chamomile in it. And you just need like 1 to 2 drops onto the skin. And you can use it morning and night. Now, I do love vitamin C. I actually have hyperpigmentation. I have a lot of freckles, but it has come from sun damage to my skin. So this is a very interesting product. The only thing that it actually doesn't convince me that much, it is that this comes from a fruit. I don't know if the vitamin C is very stable on this type of formulation, as well as the packaging. Although it's very pretty, the packaging of Glow Recipe, they have the cutest packaging. First, I think they came out with a watermelon. I think it's a cream or a night type of mask, and then they have the avocado, and I think they have also another, like a spray of some sort, no, a cleanser that is actually made out of blueberries. So I love the line, how, you know, how they really emphasize on clean and fruity type of items. But of my knowledge, I know that vitamin C has to be kind of like a dark container in order to keep its properties. So that's the only thing that I'm thinking, maybe, I don't know. I don't know about this vitamin C. I'm not so convinced. I think I'm just gonna be watching for other reviews. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna put a little pause right there and just pass on the item. So now this is an item that I'm very excited for. Charlotte Tilbury is coming up with this face palette. I will put the picture right here. It comes in 2 different tones, and it seems like it has a bronzer, a blush, a highlighter, and what it seems like maybe like a blush topper with some shimmer. It is just so beautiful. I haven't got any of her blushes yet. Neither do I have any like her Bar Gold highlighter palette. I don't have that one. She's also coming out with 3 different, let's see, 1 is a highlighter and 2 are high blush. So they come in a cream product in these little tubes or ones, and it just says that it's coming soon. They seem just so pretty. I don't know about the ones, but definitely the palette, I think I will get that one. Now price, who knows how much this is gonna be, I don't know. Another thing that has come out is NATASHA DENONA. NATASHA DENONA is dropping products like every single week. She's dropping something different. First was the BIBA palette, which I have a review. I will just you know, put it up here in the cards, and then the foundation, the X foundation, the new formulation, then TRANSFIX concealer. I will put those in the cards right here because I made reviews for each of them. And now she's coming out with this Bronze and Glow mini palette. So it is basically a bronze and then a glow. So kind of like a highlighter, and it says stream. The price is $19, so we know for sure it's a very, very little pan size. It's available now at Sephora. I have purchased it already. I haven't tried any of her bronzers, so I thought this is a perfect way to try her bronzers because I didn't want to get the full pans, you know, the big pans that come with 6 different products. So I'm very excited about that. I used to wear Lancome a lot. I actually had their eyeshadow palettes. I love their foundation. I don't know if they do this foundation anymore, but anyhow, they are coming out with a eyeshadow palette, Monure Big Maxi palette, and it comes with 12 shades, and it's in this heart shape type of palette. It's all in the pink tones. Now I have a lot of pink eyeshadows, so I don't see myself in a necessity to actually purchase this palette, although it looks very pretty, and I have tried the Lancome formula for the eyeshadows and I actually really like it. Now on these specific, you know, like the shape of the compact, the shape of the palette, heart, it seems more like a Valentine's Day, but it's coming in, you know, around April or May, it says. So they are maybe thinking to launch it for like Mother's Day present. So it will be like a beautiful present for Mother's Day. I think that it's really, really pretty. I don't know. For right now, I say I will pass. Maybe if I see swatches, I may be able to adventure and actually get one, but it's really, really pretty. The price, it doesn't tell us anything about the price, just that it seems like there's a combination of matte shades, some shimmer shades, and no glitters. Doesn't seem like any glitters, so that's good. Once again, wow, ColourPop took us by surprise with another launch, and this one right here is more for like the festival type of season that is right now. Coachella is coming this weekend, and they came out with these single shades, but they come in a little palette that is basically has 12 shades. 8 of them are all like glitters, and then 4 of them are neons. I think they also sell it in singles, the neon ones. Sunbar has been available for a long time, and there's a green one and an orange and kind of like a purple, also neon color. This collection also has 4 new cream gel liners that are all neons, and then 4 pressed pigments at $5.50 each. So actually the glitters come separately, and you can purchase them at $5 a pop, and then the pigments you can buy them at $5.50 a pop. It also have a little white lies mascara at $8. I will be passing on this collection. I don't use neons. It's really pretty. It really caught my attention because it's something different. I don't use any neon shadows, and I will just pass on that one. But I think it's a pretty collection. Let's see. Kylie Cosmetics is coming out with a mattifying setting spray, and it will be available at kyliecosmetics.com on April 12th. In this baby pink bottle. It says that it's mattifying, therefore I'm not gonna pick it up. I really want to try from Kylie Cosmetics her blushes, and also there's a couple highlighters that has been out of stock for a while. I would love to pick those up, and then the bronzers. Going for matte, it doesn't look good because it just like shows more of my fine lines, and that's something that I really not looking forward to it. So I think I will pass on that, and maybe just kind of like hear a little bit about, you know, like how good is this setting spray. But the word again mattifying, it's something that kind of like threw me off right there, so no on that. Now Too Faced is coming out with this new highlighter from the Clover collection. It's called Glover Puppy Love, and the cost is $30 for the compact. It's a champagne gold highlighter, and it's so cute. I think it's so pretty, but I think this is just kind of reaching the younger demographic, you know, younger clientele, because of the compact is just so cute. But I don't think it's something that I will be interested in buying for myself, although I may decide to pick it up for my daughter, because I think that would be really cute. She is in her teens right now, so I think that would be lovely to have. Again, another theme from Too Faced. There's a sneak peek of a new and glowy Too Faced. It's adding to the peach collection, to the peach line. They are adding this, it's called Peach Frost. So it's a highlighter. It says that it's sparkling with a melting powder formula and with a new finish. So the picture looks very, very pretty. It looks more than a highlighter. It looks kind of like a blush with kind of like a topper, not like a topper blush, but like a blush that is kind of like very, very pinky. It doesn't say anything about the release date. It just says that it's coming soon and no price, but that actually intrigued me. I like it. I think it will be really pretty for the summer. It will be just a matter to see maybe some swatches and kind of take it from there. Sephora just came out with a credit card and I will definitely be passing on that. You can earn 15% off your first purchase, but then after that, and it's a 1% back in rewards on purchases outside Sephora, no annual fee, and $20 Sephora credit card reward for your first $500 spent outside Sephora within the first 90 days. So this is very tempting, but honestly, you know, you have to be very cautious with your credit, and I don't think that makeup, you know, should be any reason why to ruin it, or, you know, just I don't know, makeup is just something that is rewarding and that shouldn't be taken like, okay, here's a credit card, I can spend so much at this store. It doesn't say what is that percentage right here, but I will steer away from these type of cards. I love Sephora, don't get me wrong, I absolutely love Sephora. It's one of my favorite stores to shop, but no, I will pass. I will not apply for this credit card, and I will suggest you to, you know, to be cautious about it and give it a really in-depth thought if you want to go ahead and apply for this credit card. Now, ColourPop is also coming out with 12 new loose pigments at $6 each. They're kind of, it comes on the same package of like the pigments that Kathleen Lights did in collaboration with ColourPop, that it was the Zodiac collection. It comes with, it says right here that they are all neon bright. Well, not, there's, the shade range comes from neon brights to foil metallics, and you can use them on the eyes, lips, and cheeks or nails to create your own look. They will be available on April 11th. And so maybe when you see this video, they are already out. But some of them, actually, they look very pretty. There's one that attracts me, like it's a coral color. There's this yellow one too, that it looks kind of fun. There's a white one. There's this hot pink. I will not grab the hot pink, but it's kind of like fun and interesting. I don't know. Maybe I will grab a few. I don't know. ColourPop comes up with so many collections, one after the other, that maybe by the time that, you know, maybe next week there's already another collection, and maybe I just grab a couple. But it's nothing that I feel like a strong urge to, oh yes, I need to go and buy it. But I mean, it's something fun, but like I said, I maybe just wait for the next collection. If it attracts me, then I will add it on my cart and kind of take it from there. So this is, they are cute. They are cute. Limelight, they just came out with the burger palette. So it looks outside like a burger, and inside you can see some, it has a couple neon colors, or it seems like neon colors, a green one, and then there's this like very, very bright orange, and then a pink one, has some maybe like shimmers or glitters in it. It's available right now, but they are kind of like taking pre-orders because it will ship on April 24th. So you can buy it right now, but then it will go. So basically it comes with 3 neon shades, 2 diamond shadows, 4 shimmers, and 7 ultra pigment mattes. It's gonna be $40. I mean, this is, I think, a fun concept. the palette itself, it just doesn't call my name. The colors, I mean, I know it goes with the burger theme. There's a tomato right there, your pickles or your avocado, etc., mustard, ketchup, and whatnot. But I don't know, the layout, it doesn't speak to me in other levels, and I also do not like the aesthetic of that burger. I don't know. I mean, like, I think I saw, I think it's the same company or another company like doing a donut. That's cute, but this right here with the burger is kind of like, no, it's not for me. So I will definitely be passing on that one. So Juvia's Place is coming with their new foundation, and it's gonna be a matte formula. Now, matte, velvety is nothing that will grab my attention right there. I really like something that is radiant, skin-like, glowy, or light to medium coverage. So, and they are also coming out with concealer. They have been in the works for a while now. I think it's great. I will want to check maybe reviews. I may grab it, you know, just for the purpose of reviewing it on my channel, but it doesn't make me too excited because of the matte finish. But I think I will have to see, and I don't know when it's gonna come out. Another collaboration is the one from Tarte Cosmetics and Adeline Maureen. Okay, so I make a mistake on the name. It's Adeline Moore. They had come out with an eye and cheek palette, and it has this very pretty outer package with lemons, and that it calls a lot for summer. It looks very cute. It's now available at Ulta Beauty, and it's $39. It comes with 9 shades of eyeshadows. It comes with a blush and also a highlighter. Nice mirror. It looks very nice, but it's not calling my name. I think it has these, I don't know if they're reddish and brown undertones, maybe coppery ones, but I don't know. It's just not, it's not grabbing my attention, to be honest. So I will pass on that, although it looks pretty. But I think I perhaps would like to swatch it in a store, but it's nothing that I feel like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna, you know, I have to go and get it. No, I don't feel that way. I think I will wrap it up right here. There were not that many things that I'm interested of, but there's a few things here and there that kind of like caught my attention. Let me know in the comments down below what are you planning to maybe purchase or pass, or any opinions, and I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. Again, don't forget to give a like to this video, and until the next time, you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.